Hello and welcome to our training video. Today we're going to take a look at how to apply a patch upgrade to Sage X3 in version 11. We offer many consulting services to those in need. If you would like, you can check our website out at sagex3trainingacademy.com. We have a list of our services we provide. We do development work, implementation support, report writing, technical installation, upgrades, etc. And if you want to contact us, you can go to the site, our contact page. Here's our information. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel via this link on all of our pages. Okay. So we're going to do this upgrade through the Syracuse browser. I've downloaded the patch to the server, so you would first download the patch from the partner portal. If you are an end user customer, you can contact your partner to download that for you. You may have access through the customer portal to download it as well. So to navigate to the right place, we go through administration, utilities, and updates. Once here, we'll click add an update, and then we can select our file. So here I have the file I downloaded. This is the original zip file, and then this is a zip file unzipped, and then there's another zip file within it, which this is the one you'll need. You can also upload the release notes if you want. Typically we don't do this. So next, we have to choose which endpoints we're going to apply this to. So in our case, I have a test folder. I went and I added this here, and I'll apply to our test folder. And then I'm going to save this. Now, once it's here and uploaded, we can do a test patch. We can apply the update, or we can even schedule the update. So scheduling the update requires a couple of more steps, which we may publish in a later video, or you can contact us for support on that. I'm going to just apply the update. So it's going to stop the batch server and associated running tasks. I'm going to select OK. And then the patch will run. I'm applying this patch on a single folder that's not the X3 folder. Typically you would apply the patch to the X3 folder and then another child folder, such as a production folder. In this case, I have this test folder set up as a quote-unquote test folder. Don't let the name and the functionality get confused. So in X3 you can set up folders to be test folders, meaning they're not, you can patch them separately from the X3 folder. So you can do this for testing purposes if you want to test, what the effects of a patch before actually doing it to your production system. The folder has to be set up as a test folder though. And you can contact us for more information if you need help with any of that. So a patch, typically, when you run it this way, it applies not only X3 patch files, but all the text translation updates and anything else. So depending on how new your system is, per folder it can take anywhere from 30 minutes to 4 hours if you've got a really old server. So I expect this folder on this system, since it's the full patch with all the text updates, probably to take about 45 minutes. And there is a quicker way to do the patching, and that is through the development module through X3. When you upload this patch file, what it does is it unzips it and it puts the patch files in the normal location you would use to do the the old standard X3 patching methods, the way you patch in third-party upgrades or customizations. So I'm going to back out of here, and you can see here's my patch and if it's applied and what the status is. And it'll also generate a log file which you can access. So here's the other place where you can go to do the patching. It's under Development, Utilities, Patch Integration, and then here you can select whether the patch is on the server and one of the volumes on the server, or you can have it on your desktop and upload it here. And then if it's on the server, you can just go to your patch directory and grab the patch from there. And you're going to want to do patch integration. If you don't do patch integration, it'll essentially run a test patch. And typically you want to defer validation because that'll go much quicker than validating everything. And normally in your patch you'd run it on the X3 folder and another folder, or all your other folders. If you want to know what patch level you're at, you would go into Administration, Utilities, Update, and at the very top it'll show the web server version. That's your Syracuse version. And then your endpoints will be shown below. So when you click on the endpoint, this window will pop up and you'll get information on what version and release. So in this case, we are at version 11.06, product update 6, patch 6. Thank you for